Here's a question every developer eventually asks. What is this actually costing me? Welcome to Lesson 5 of the Claude Code course, where we get answers. Claude Code ships 2 commands for exactly this. The /cost command shows what the current session spent, and /usage shows where you stand against your plan limits. Once you know these two, you never have to guess again. Let's jump into a live session that has been running for a while and see what these 2 commands reveal. First, we type /cost and press enter. This command reports on the session we're in right now, nothing more. It works for everyone, though what you see depends on how you pay. API key users get dollar figures, while subscription users see that usage is covered by their plan. There it is. We can see the total cost for this session, the token counts behind it, and 2 durations: wall time, which is how long the session has been open, and API time, which is how long the model actually spent working. Those 2 numbers usually differ a lot. Now, the second half of the picture. We type /usage. Where /cost looks backward at what this session consumed, /usage looks at limits, showing how much of your plan you have used for the current session and for the week. Let's run it and read the result together. The output is refreshingly simple: 2 percentages. The first tells us how much of the current session allowance we have consumed, and the second shows our weekly usage against the plan limit. When that weekly number creeps toward the top, you know it's time to pace yourself. Remember, the split /cost answers what this session has spent so far in dollars or plan coverage, while /usage answers how close you are to your session and weekly limits. Neither takes any flags, so there's nothing to memorize. Just type them whenever you want a quick reality check. Let's lock it in. So, the /cost command reports the current session's total cost, its token counts, and both wall and API duration, giving you a complete picture of what one session consumed. Remember that what you see depends on billing. API key users get real dollar figures, while subscription users simply see that their usage is covered by the plan. Meanwhile, the /usage command shows your plan limits as percentages, covering both the current session and the whole week, so you always know how much headroom remains. For more courses and hands-on guides, visit Standarity.com and join us in Lesson 6, where we cover /help, /status, and /doctor for checking your setup.